How to restore Valora Wallet using backup. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore Valora Wallet using backup. To restore your Valora Wallet using a backup, first of all, open your Valora application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, you will land on this home page. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Valora app installed on your device. Now in this page, you will need to select the option I have a wallet at the very bottom. Simply tap on it, and here you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Scroll down, review all of the information given here, and then tap on Accept button at the very bottom. By doing so, you will reach to this page. Here now you will need to choose a 6-digit PIN for your security. Once after entering it, you will need to confirm the PIN by entering it again. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here, if you'd like to secure your account by adding fingerprint, simply tap on Turn on Fingerprint. If not, you may also tap on the Skip button at the very bottom here. To restore your wallet, you have two different options, whether email and phone or from recovery phrase. Here I am selecting recovery phrase. You may also select the first option that says email and phone. If you select this option, you will need to use the same email and phone number combination you have initially used for backup. And then you will need to sign into your email and enter your phone number. Then a verification code will be sent to your phone number. You will need to enter the code in the designated field, and then once it is verified, you'll be able to restore your wallet. Here, I'm going to use the second option that says recovery phrase. Simply tap on From Recovery Phrase, and now you will be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase exactly as it was generated. Make sure to have this recovery phrase with you. Once after entering your recovery phrase, tap on the Restore button at the very bottom to complete the process. And once it is verified, you will be able to see this pop-up. Simply tap on Use Wallet, and then you will see you have successfully restored your wallet with all the associated assets. So this is how you can restore your Valora wallet using recovery phrase. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.